Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our Principal 2 of San Antonio Elementary School, Sir Robert J. Santa Ana, and to Sir Nelo Cusal, Head Teacher of Naga Elementary School, to our guest speaker, to our Barangay Captain Lorenzo Ingay, to our Education Committee, Kagawad Otabe, and to our PTA President, Mr. Barangon. It is with great honor and pleasure that I stand before you today to introduce a very special guest who embodies dedication, perseverance, and the true spirit of lifelong learning. Our guest speaker hails from the humble and peaceful community of San Antonio, Laak, born on December 5, 1990 in San Antonio, San Vicente. She has already carried with her the values of hard work and determination, molded by the loving guidance of her parents, Mr. Rodolfo L. Cotacte and Mrs. Shirlita E. Cotacte. Her academic journey began at San Antonio Elementary School, where she completed her elementary education in 2003 to 2004. She then pursued her secondary education at San Antonio National High School, where she graduated in 2007 to 2008. Fueled by her passion for teaching and nurturing young minds, she went on to earn her Bachelor of Elementary Education in the academic year 2022-2023. Despite being a proud and loving single parent to her child, Marky Nacion, she never let any challenge stand in her way. Instead, she uses her life experiences to inspire and empower others, especially the youth, to dream big and pursue their goals with confidence and determination. So, let us give our warmest welcome and a big round of applause to our role model of resilience and commitment, Miss Generous Apare Cotacte.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. To our OIC School Division Superintendent, Ma'am Phoebe K. L. Camonte, represented by our Sir Nilo Cusal, Head Teacher of Naga Elementary School. Good morning, sir. To our School Principal 2, Sir Robert J. Santa Ana. Good morning, sir. To our Barangay Captain, Honorable